Mod Pizza is a fast casual pizza chain. We're a very purpose-driven, mission-driven company. We serve pizza so we can serve people, and we've been able to grow quickly.
Opening a couple stores a year is no big deal, and we could manage that. But then suddenly when we opened 100 stores last year, you're managing 100 separate spreadsheets and trying to manage all these different dates. Inevitably, you're gonna miss one, and then the project may be delayed, and it's just very costly in resources. One of the big drivers has been getting everyone away from all this spreadsheet sprawl and getting people into something that's a little bit more automated.
I started evaluating our store development processes, and we were using things all over the board. All of our collaboration was through email, and people would send out an Excel workbook or they'll send out an email, and then everyone has to update their own sheets and their own schedule, and there's no processes that were in place and no sharing information, no collaboration at all. Through the evaluation process, we discovered something that was actually already living within our company, and that was Smartsheet.
And now we have a whole process where we can go in, we enter the set amount of fields, it's the same for every single store, every single project, and as soon as we click, create project, takes a few seconds, and then we have spun up exactly the project plan that matches every other project plan and all the information and details that we need, and it flows into a sheet where everyone can track everything in one place. And it's a huge time saver.
But it also provides the flexibility for us to be able to individualize those stores. Not all of our stores are going to be similar, but the processes are similar. And so using Smartsheet Control Center, we can emulate that process over and over again, but still have the flexibility of changing the process as we go along.
It changed my perception of Smartsheet, really, just because I had only really worked with building sheets and reports and that kind of thing. And I feel like it really adds a whole new layer of functionality.
It's an easy sell when you talk about ROI and what Smartsheet can provide from a numbers perspective. And the best part is, if we can decrease the amount of time it takes us to do a construction project a week, then that's a week of someone else getting wages. If our people are happy, if our mod squatters in the store are pumped to work for us and excited to work for us, they're going to treat the customer that way.